Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth powder at home. Start by roasting bones, simmering low, dehydrating the stock, and grinding into powder. I walk you through bone selection, seasoning, and simple equipment choices for home kitchens. You will learn safe cooling and storage tips and how to adjust concentration for soups, sauces, or smoothies. This method saves time and boosts nutrition easily. I explain how to build a flavorful, nutrient-dense stock from bones and aromatics. Begin by cold-soaking bones with a splash of vinegar to pull minerals, then bring to a gentle simmer and skim foam as needed. Add onions, carrots, celery, and peppercorns for balance, keeping salt minimal until after reduction. Simmer low for many hours to release gelatin and nutrients without boiling away delicate flavors. Here I cover drying and transforming rich broth into stable powder form for easy storage and use. After straining and chilling, remove the solid fat layer so the powder stays shelf-stable and flakes evenly. Spread the clear stock thinly and dry in a dehydrator or an oven at low temperature until it snaps. Finally, grind finely and sieve for a smooth powder that reconstitutes quickly in hot water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.